Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Fun with Buzzers, LEDs, and Buttons, because that's fun, right? So what you're gonna need today is you're gonna need a button, push button. It needs to have 4 tangs on the bottom, like so. And then it could be either a button like this, or it could be like one of these little guys, the smaller ones. Doesn't matter. You're gonna want a green LED light. You're also gonna want a red LED light. You're gonna want 2 resistors. It can be 220, 330 ohm, 1000 ohm, 10,000 ohm. Really doesn't matter. Bunch of jumper cables, because we always need those. You're gonna want a passive buzzer, not an active buzzer. Or maybe it's the other way around, because one or the other is really hard to code. See, these ones here, this one's all sealed on the bottom. You want one that's sealed on the bottom and not has an exposed bottom. And that's about it. So let's get started with just the building process and not the coding yet. So we're also going to be doing a bunch of coding. Well, not a bunch, just a little bit of coding in Python. I'm using Thonny. I also have a Raspberry Pi hooked up to the thing right here, so I have the GPIO pins all hooked up. It's like GPIO, like 5 volts at the top here. There's a 3 volt right there, in case you're wondering. So if you pull up an actual GPIO sheet, you know what one's which. What we're gonna do next is I'm gonna use this nice big button, because I like big buttons. Who doesn't like big red buttons? I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, so after we put our thing right there, we are going to get some jumper cables. I'm going to take one of these ones right here, and you're going to want to put it right here into one of the first 2 tangs facing this side right here. So this button, so that's blurry, this button, there's the tangs on the button here. You can see that there's 2 right here, but there's none on the side, so the 2 right here are connected to each other. When you push this down, puts down a metal plate connecting like side to side. But so yeah, we're gonna want to put these down now. And you're gonna have one on one side of the breadboard and one on the other side of the breadboard. Okay, so next we're gonna want to take our jumper wires. We're gonna have one right here, and we want to have that hooked up to one of the GPIO pins. So like GPIO 18 right here should be good. So let's hook up to GPIO 18. There we go. And any pin on the other side, we're going to hook that up. Let's just hook it up to the negative bar, because there's actually nothing running these bars right now. So what we can actually do, go ahead, get a jumper wire, and you can put in the negative bus bar, and you can hook it up to ground on the GPIO, like right there or something. Okay, let's move the camera. Okay, so what we're going to want to do next is we're going to take the buzzer. It's quite self-explanatory. There's the long pin, positive, short pin, negative, and there's even a little positive sign on the top, if you can see it. So we're going to put that down right there. Okay, we're going to take a jumper wire like this. Let's hook up to I'll put up a GPIO 21. So hook it up to the positive, and GPIO 21's right there. Okay. And now, do I have that? I'm looking at the code that I already made. Yeah, it's up to GPIO 23. Whoopsie daisies, let's hook it up to 23 then. 23 is right there. So, there we go. GPIO 23. Sorry, that went out of frame. We have the hook up GPIO 23. Okay. So, and then we're going to hook the other side up to the ground. So, bar right here. And ground bar. There we go. Okay, next we are going to should have 2 resistors. One of the resistors, we're going to put one right here. There we go. And we're going to take another one. And we can put it somewhere like right here. Make it a little more neater. Okay, there we go. And we're going to take our green LED light. We're going to put the positive side to where you're getting power from your resistor, any ohmage you want, and you're going to make sure the negative side is going to the negative bus bar. Okay, next we want to make sure that we have our red LED light right here, and put that same thing, same row, negative bus bar. Okay, we're going to take some jumper wires like these, some blue jumper wires, and we're going to take these and we're going to hook the green one, the green LED, up to GPIO 21. So GPIO 21 right here. Just saying, I have an adapter for my GPIO pins, so it's a little bit easier to use on the breadboard. You can go get one at Free-Novo if you want to. And there we go. Okay, and GPIO for the red one, we want to have that GPIO 20. Get a longer one, because this one seems to be long enough. Tons of jumper wires. Okay. Whoops, hit the camera by accident. It's an expensive camera. Okay, so the GPIO 20 right there. Seems to be on for my code. Okay, so now that we have all of our wiring done, I'm gonna get you guys to take a look at what I have on Thonny right now. I'm using Thonny on a Raspberry Pi, so here, so you should be able to see Thonny right now. So you guys can see right here how we have buzzer off and a bunch of other things. So I'll have to put a link in the description for you guys to just not a link, but just I'll copy and paste this code and put in the description. So you guys don't need to put it all down, but if you wanna gain some skill and do that, you can do that. So we have, I'll explain it though. So the from is, where we're getting the LED package from. So GPIO 0, if you might not already have it because you can't do this on other computers, only Raspberry Pis. Any Raspberry Pi that has GPIO pins, but I think they all do. So from some GPIO 0, general port input output. So, and then you want to import LED, and same with buzzer and button. That was just the camera closing, by the way. And from time, so you want to import sleep function. So we're basically naming what LED 21 is. So LED green is LED in GPIO 21. LED red is the LED in GPIO 20. The buzz is the buzzer in GPIO 23, and but is the button in GPIO 18. So the while true statement makes it so that this code doesn't only run once, but like when you're finished with the code, it will run again when the run button is hit, so when it's true. So from but, and then you hit the dot, so you can put a statement here or something, like wait for press. So whenever the button is pressed, I'll do that after though. Whenever you press the button, it makes the buzzer go on for 3 seconds because there's sleep 3 here. And a green light pops on. I'll show you after. So buzz.on, and you want to do a closing statements after that because of brackets. That's how Python works. So you do an indent for all these while trues. Okay, so we have buzz.on, we have red, like LED red.off, so the LED that is red is off. So whenever we hit the green, not the green button, your button that you have, it will either, it'll turn on the green light and turn on the buzzer. So the green light signifies the buzzer's on, it's all working, and just gives it a nice sound tone. And then after 3 seconds, so it'll run this code for 3 seconds because it takes the pause here and doesn't stop anything here. And then it goes over to here, so it turns the red LED on, signifying that it's off, like all the other components, and LED green goes off and buzzer is off. So let's I'll show you guys again actually. Here, you press that, the buzzer turns on, LED green goes on. Pretty cool, eh? It's pretty cool. circa, if I do say myself. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it today. I don't know why I put gloves on. I felt like doing that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. And I try to post daily, so have a good night, guys. Hope you enjoyed.